Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, depending where you're watching from. So today, I want to show us how we can ethically get ad copy. If you are a digital advertiser, you run ads, Facebook ads. I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate ad copy ethically based on proven results and strategy. So what you will do is what you will do you have to go to so what you do is that you go to Facebook ads library. Facebook ad library. So once it brings out the first result on Google search engine, take it, mm, click on it. It will bring you a result like this. So please, if you are using your please if you are using your smartphone, don't forget to put it on desktop site. Click on the desktop site, right? So there are some certain stuff you have to select. So once you are the Facebook ad library, see what you do. You see here, you choose. It can be on the default. If you are from Nigeria, it will be on default. So you can, but if you're not from Nigeria, you can select. You can see country, different countries here. You can select. But if you are from Nigeria, it will be on default. So this is the place you will choose your ad category. This is the place you will choose your ad category. So this one said elections, all ads. The second one issues, elections, and so choose all. Choose all ads. So what you come here and you search. Okay, let's say you are into affiliate marketing. You search affiliate affiliate marketing, right? So select affiliate marketing and search. It's gonna bring you results, but before this before this there's something, a hack I want to show us. You have to select dates. You have to select dates, right? So that you can get the most you can get the most relevant. So here there are some things you have to choose. Language. So language should be English. Most ads are on English. So and by default, based on your language of your location. So you choose English, right? English, English. So you go back, platform. You can choose Facebook, Instagram, audience net, but let's choose Facebook here. Let's choose platform Facebook. You can equally choose Facebook and Instagram. It will bring both ads on Facebook and Instagram. So media type, you can choose all. It's better leave on all. That is where it is now on the default, right? That's the best place to leave it. Then active status, active ads. That is okay. Impression by date. So you have to select at least 1 month 1 month ahead of time. 1 month. So what we do here is from today is 26th of January 2025. So we should here choose at least 2024 let's 26th of 26th. Okay, let's choose 3 months. Within 3 months time, January, December, November, 11th. That should serve us right. And here we should choose okay, let's leave it this way. From 11th 26, right? Yes, to date. So it is okay. So we are good to go. The selections we have made, so we are good to go. So we can see ads. Okay, so let's see this one now. Ready to start your journey? Let's do this together. What if I told you freedom is just a skill away? Freedom is a skill away. So you can see this ad is performing well. That's why you see Facebook placed it here. I transformed my life by learning how to market products online. Now it's your turn. This workshop teach you proven method to build an online business. So you can see this is the ad copy. Start big. Okay. Uh, This workshop teach you proven method to build an online business and automate it. Start small, think big, let the system work for you. Break free from the grind and work smarter, not harder. Say goodbye to 9 to 5, grind it, blah, blah, blah. So this is a video. This video, if there is no trademark on it, you can use it. Even banners too. You can see this one. If this banner now, if there is no call to action like phone number or personalized image, you can use it. So let's see what this one is saying. Learn affiliate marketing, earn 30K to 100K within 1 to 2 months. So all these ads are performing well. These are good. That's why you see Facebook is showing it. I know you want to regret it for your success. So let's use this first one. We are going to copy this. We are going to copy this ad copy now. Let's select all. Right. No, that is not what it should be. So let's start here. We are going to copy it. Please be open to learn. That's the way to grow. That's the way to grow. Copy. So you can see the video. This video
Are
is
you tired of the
48
6-day
seconds.
grind? I'll show you how to break free with
Showing
online
you
marketing.
a video
Hey
of a
there.
man who,
Imagine waking up when you want and working from
or a
anywhere in
video
the
of people
world.
who broke,
I broke free from my construction job by learning a
away from
powerful
9
new
to
skill
5,
marketing products
and
online.
you can see
And you
they
can
have
too.
their freedom.
Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, our workshops are your golden ticket to success.
So now let's go to ChatGPT. This is one way you can use ChatGPT to get a very good art copy. So now we instruct ChatGPT on what to do. Um, paraphrase this to a more compelling. We are now putting a prompt to ChatGPT. Paraphrase this to a more compelling and a persuasive art copy. Make it social media, make it Facebook, make it Facebook compliant, right? So that they will not run out. So you now put a full stop and the paste the copy. So let's go. Blah blah blah. Let the magic be done. You can see what ChatGPT is doing now with all the. So this is one way you can generate an ad copy using Facebook ad library and ChatGPT. So ready to change your life? This is a very catchy. This is a very catchy title. Let's make it happen together. Ready to change your life? There are so many people online who are looking for opportunities, a way to change their life. So what if the freedom you have been dreaming of is just one skill away? Just a question. What if many people are dreaming for financial freedom, and it's asking you, what if it is one skill away? I turned my life around by mastering the art of marketing online, and now it's your turn. In this workshop, you will discover proven strategies to build and automate an online business that works for you 24/7. Can you imagine that? Automating your business while you are sleeping, people can conduct transactions and you receive alerts on your phone. So start on your bank. So start small, think big, and let the system do the heavy lifting. Tired of the daily grind? It is time to work smarter, not harder. Say goodbye to the 9 to 5 and hello to a life of flexibility and financial freedom. Whether it's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or coaching, the opportunities are endless. Join the workshop today and take the first step toward a business and life you control. Wow, this is a very good and compelling hard copy. So join the workshop today and take the first step towards a business and life you control. Imagine a life where your business supports your dreams. Work from anywhere, spend more time with loved ones, focus on what truly matters. Don't wait, get the roadmap to start building your future. So this is now the call to action, the CTA. Don't wait, get the roadmap to start building the future. Wow. So this is one way you can use ChatGPT to ethically get uh, your hard copy from Facebook ad library. So please don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, follow for tips, for good quality content that will help you to make money online this year 2024. If you are struggling with your copywriting skills, you don't know how to make things work out for your Facebook ad, you have no advertising and nothing is working out. This is one way. Eventually, you're looking for an expert to work with you in your social media management, Facebook ads. Please kindly reach out to the Travel Digitals. We are at your service. So this year 2025 is time for each and every one of us to scale our business to greater heights and profitability. God bless you. Don't forget to like and share this video.